Now, I wanted to share my experience, I guess just in assembly and first impressions of the Craftsman CFT 7 1/4 inch SB compound miter saw. Now, first of all, I hate the instructions. As you can probably see in the video, I wear glasses. These things were not very easy to read. It was actually quite frustrating, and eventually I just gave up and I started putting parts together in a way that made sense. But you might see here in the video I'm struggling a bit, to say the least. In the instructions, the parts were numbered and the parts in real life were lettered, and the instructions would say like part 1 marked A. I don't know why they couldn't do part 1 marked 1 or part A marked A or whatever. But anyway, like I said, I just got frustrated with it and decided I'm just gonna do my own thing. As concerned as I was about the sturdiness of the stand, it ended up being actually quite sturdy. And there is one part in the instructions that I didn't do. I knew I wasn't doing it, and I figured I could do it later, and it came back to bite me because now I have to disassemble it and to make it right. And you'll see as we get later in the video, I do mention what this is. We'll see how many of you have a keen memory and point this out. Now you can see here I have the stand all put together, and I'm actually talking, but I didn't realize that my microphone, but I had an external microphone plugged in, but it was turned off. I wasn't using it, and I didn't realize since it was plugged in, my camera wasn't picking up any audio. So you'll see that I catch this soon and unplug the microphone and actually get some audio. Here's where I'm actually bolting the saw to the stand. I was so frustrated when I realized the microphone wasn't picking anything up. Now, why did I get this saw, you might ask? No reason, just because I've seen it in the big blue box store the last several times I've gone, and it was on sale, regularly $99.99. I picked it up for $49.99, so half off, can't beat that. And I do wish, as you'll see again later in the video, I wish I'd have gotten a bigger one, because 7 1/4 is pretty small. And I actually watched a YouTube video just last night that recommended nothing under a 10 inch. So I understand why now, but I'll get use out of it either way. There, that's better. Okay, so I have to do this all over again. So we have the Craftsman compound miter saw set up. I haven't squared the fence yet. I'm going to do that here in a little bit. Just not right this second. I just want to make a quick cut with it to end this video. Oh, you know what we gotta do still? That's what we gotta do. We gotta put the batteries in it. It's got like a laser guide. And you unplug it because I don't want to turn it on while I'm doing this. So it's not a captured screw, which that sucks. You know, I started to record as I was assembling the stand, and then I just stopped. What a joke. The instructions, not great. I stopped recording and I started fiddling around with the parts and just figured out how to put it together. Yeah, they could have done quite a bit better with the instructions. Wow. They could have done quite a bit better with this battery compartment as well. I'll show you guys this eventually. Oh yeah, there's my laser. Can you guys see that there? Yeah, there's my laser. Can you guys see that there? It's definitely not. It definitely has to be squared. There it is. Ooh! Losing stuff already. Make all these mental notes for when I do this in the future. Alright. So let me just put that right on 0. Nope, too far. Good Lord. Okay. That's as close as it's going to get. It's pretty darn close. Alright, let's give it a shot. I'm a little sketchy about how the wood is held down, but it is what it is. All right, shall we? Wow, wow. Why do they even put that there? The saw hits it. That doesn't make much sense to me. Not sure why they put that over there if the saw hits it. Alright, here we go. Well, it cut the wood as I would expect it to do. It's weird how more sawdust leaks from around the bag than actually goes into the bag. But I'm not complaining about that too much. Let's turn the laser on. So I'm noticing a couple things. It doesn't cut right on the laser. You know, I shouldn't. I need to be fair. I need to adjust the fence first. Yeah, there's things I have to do before I judge it too much, but I want to give something a try. Watch Watch this. This is going to be great for making some of like the coasters that I made before, and I can't make them out of this, it's too small, but it's just a piece of oak I had sitting out there. Let's give it a shot. We need a laser for this. It's going to be kind of good for cutting that type of stuff. Try something I don't think it'll make it through. I mean, it might, but let's give it a shot. Oh boy. We made it halfway. Halfway. Good enough. I think I put it away. Anyway guys, so it's going to be interesting and fun to play around with this thing. Said it came with a stand, which is pretty cool. It's got that lock there. Anyway, this is just my first impression and assembly and everything, and we'll get more into it as we use it. I didn't assemble the handle before I put it on the stand, and he even said to, so that's my fault. But yeah. Have a good time. Thanks a million for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.